Type your text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Go to Object. Rasterize. Use these settings. Go to Object. Create Object Mosaic. I use a width of 60 for the number of tiles. Select height and then select Use Ratio to get the correct amount. Copy the settings I used under Options. Go to Effect. Stylize. Round corners. Adjust the radius to your liking. I use a radius of 20 pixels. Select the magic wand. Select the white dots and press the Delete key to remove them. You can also do this with the dots that have a different color. With the Direct Selection tool, you can select and remove dots that are not looking good. And that's how you create a dotted text.